Have you ever wondered what happens when solar flares reach Earth? These spectacular solar events are more than just celestial light shows. They are powerful eruptions on the sun's surface that release tremendous amounts of energy into space. But what happens when these flares head our way? Solar flares, in essence, are intense bursts of radiation coming from the release of magnetic energy associated with sunspots. The energy released can be equivalent to millions of hydrogen bombs exploding at the same time. This energy, primarily in the form of X-rays and ultraviolet radiation, can reach Earth in just 8 minutes, traveling at light speed. Now you might be wondering, with such a massive amount of energy headed our way, why doesn't Earth experience catastrophic damage? The answer lies in our planet's natural defense system, the magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field, also known as the magnetosphere, acts as a protective shield against solar flares. When these charged particles reach Earth, they encounter the magnetosphere. This magnetic field deflects most of the solar material because the charged solar particles and the magnetic field cannot penetrate each other. It's a bit like trying to mix oil and water. However, the magnetic field isn't perfect, and some particles can slip through the protective shield, especially near the poles. This interaction between the solar particles and the magnetosphere creates the beautiful phenomenon known as auroras. You might know them as the northern or southern lights. These dazzling light shows are a visual testament to the Earth's magnetic field at work, protecting us from the sun's powerful outbursts. But it's not just about pretty lights in the sky. Solar flares can cause disruptions to our technology. They can interfere with radio communications and even cause blackouts by overloading power grids. Scientists continually monitor the sun's activity to predict these events and mitigate their effects. In summary, solar flares are powerful bursts of energy released by the sun. When they reach Earth, our planet's magnetic field acts as a protective shield, deflecting most of the harmful solar material. This interaction between the solar particles and the magnetic field creates the beautiful auroras we see near the poles. Despite the protection offered by the magnetosphere, some solar particles can cause disruptions to our technology. Therefore, monitoring and understanding solar activity is crucial for our modern, technologically dependent society. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the dynamic and fascinating interplay happening between our sun and Earth, a cosmic dance that shapes our planet's space weather and influences our daily lives in more ways than you might think.